Right, good afternoon. Welcome to another unboxing. Today I've got a nice big box. Let's see what's in it, shall we? Yes, just what I wanted. Bags of air. Box of bags of air. Right. Lucas boxes. Right. More bags of air. We have here a Lucas coil pack, ignition coil for the VVC engine for my ZR160 VVC. So I've ordered two of these to go with my performance cables that I've ordered that you may have seen in the previous video. So you can tell what I'll be doing on the job, the car, once I've got that back on the road, which passes MOT with flying colours today. So another treat is going to be given it. Some ignition coils. There are various other makes available. Genuine Rover ones. There's Hella make one. NGK. There are a few cheaper ones that are Chinese made. Not knocking the Chinese, but when they're a pair for 45 quid, including postage, whereas the Hellas and the Lucases are about £33 each. You can sort of see the manufacturing costs are considerably probably more with these, so a bit of quality, and these come with a 2-year warranty. So we're going for originals, but my money, like most people, budgets are limited. These were, I had a coupon, I bought these off of eBay. I had a coupon giving me 20% off on various retailers. They were going to cost me £65 or something like that, with the money multi-buy saving for buying two plus the coupon for money off. I got them for a smidgen under 50 quid, which is the epic value savings of over 15 quid, which is not bad, to be honest. Look out for the next video for the fitting of the HT leads and these coil packs. Like, subscribe, thumbs up please. Thank you very much.